Hello viewers, are you facing message request sent? You can send more messages after the user replies error problem on TikTok. It means TikTok has treated your DM as a message request. Until the other person accepts or replies, TikTok may prevent you from sending additional messages. In that case, there is nothing else for you to do but wait for a reply to your message from the other side. But sometimes this problem is happening due to TikTok app glitch or server down issue. If you think this problem is happening due to app glitch or server down issue, then find TikTok apps and then long press on TikTok apps. Now open TikTok app info, click on I button or app info. Then go to storage option, click on clear cache. Now go back, click on force stop, click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search for TikTok. From here, update your TikTok apps in latest version. Once you have updated your TikTok apps, hopefully your issue will be solved successfully.